Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Random. Welcome back to a brand new planner video. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is free and it is fun here. And if you're not new here, hey gang, welcome back. Welcome to a brand new video. As you can see, I have some special packages here. This one is really huge, y'all. But before we get started, can we take a minute to appreciate the nails? I'm obsessed. I did these yesterday. They took me like 2 hours because I do gel X. But I'm obsessed. I've been loving all the Valentine nails going on Instagram. So yeah, I had to do a little look myself. Now, I didn't address this in my last video, but I will say it now because my voice is a little worse. I'm getting over a terrible cold. I hate those speeches and YouTube videos, but I sound awful, y'all. So if you hear me cough, this, that, voice get thick, I apologize, but the content cannot stop. Anyway, we have some new planner goodies from one of my favorite planner sites, Notiq. I'm obsessed with that website. I just think everything looks so classy, so beautiful. So I couldn't help it. It's springtime, or it's getting to spring. Actually it's not, it's January. But I'm declaring spring, okay? It's time for me to refresh my faith planner and my little personal planner. I don't think I got too many. I think mainly what I got in here is for my faith planner is not too many things. Because I've been rocking with the same 2 planner covers for the better part of 3 years. So it's time for a refresh. So I ordered a new planner cover and then I saw some other goodies I liked. So here we are. So I think I'm gonna start with the bigger one first. We'll get to the planner one in a minute. Now, to give you some context on how massive this thing is, I can't even fit it in the screen. But I mean, this package is like 20 inches, like 24 by 20 inches. Let me get it open real quick. Now, this package that I'm about to show you contains supplies to do my vision board for the year. It is February, so I'm a little late getting myself set up for the year. But I do want to get myself set up. I want to get back on track. So I figure I'll make my vision board now. I think one year I didn't do a vision board until April. Excuse me. Last year, my vision board was done before the end of the previous year. And I don't know. I feel like I got a happy medium, so it's not too bad. So this is... Oh, this thing is huge. All right, yeah, here we go. I had to drop my desk down a little bit, or a lot of it, just so you can see the whole thing, or kind of see. So this is the Goals Vision Board Kit. Oh my God, this is terrible. All right, here we go. This is the Goals Vision Board Kit. It just says goals here. All right, so here it is. This is the Goals Vision Board Kit. I believe they said it was 18 by 23 or 24. I didn't expect it to be this massive, so I got to see how I'm going to display this, but this is what I will be doing my vision board on this year. It comes with one... It comes with 2 of these larger goals ones. So on this one, you get 4 sections like this, where you can put the type of goal, the time frame. So if you have 4 major goals, or I don't know, the type of goal. So how I like to do my vision board is I like to do it in areas of my life. So my personal life, such as my marriage, my parenting, then my professional life, and then social media goals, that kind of thing. Because I'm a content creator. So I like to have some goals. And when I did my vision board last year, I reached 90% of my goals, y'all, making a vision board. And I am not a law of attraction kind of girl. I'm a Christian. So these are just things I like to pay attention to and things I like to pray on. And, you know, like that. So they give you the larger one. They give you 2 of these. Then they give you a smaller one. This is more like the size I want. So it just says goals. God, I can't believe how big it is. And then it gives you more sections. So you get 8 sections on this one. This is really nice. And this size I can put behind my desk just so I can see my vision board. Last year I did a digital one, so I used it as a screensaver, but this one is going to be obviously paper, something I'm going to keep at home. I will take a picture to do a screensaver, but they give you 1, 2 of these. And then they give you this open concept one. This one just has dot grid, which is, I really like this one too. Oh my goodness. I love dot grid paper, y'all. And you can use this for a multitude of things. If you want to do like a poster, a family collage. This is really, really nice. This kit, I believe, was $60. But I don't see another item I thought was supposed to come with it. And for the dot grid paper, I thought it was supposed to come with journaling cards. So they give you 2 of these. Ooh, then they give you the box grid paper. It's a lot, and it's nice and thick. It's nice thick cardstock. It's nice thick cardstock, so it feels nice. It feels like you could get a really good quality kit on this. So you get 2 of those. Yeah, I thought it was supposed to come with journaling cards. 1 second, y'all. All right, y'all. So I looked at my email, and it was supposed to come with the bonus journaling cards, but that didn't happen. But you do also get this black cardstock, which is really nice. That would have been nice for the journaling cards to be on there. So I had to email them and see what happened. Why is my item missing? Because I purchased it specifically, not only just to get the kit, but I did want those journaling cards. Otherwise, I would have purchased them because they do sell them separate. So this kit was on sale for $63, down from, I think, $80. So now let's get into this baby. This is the package I'm really excited for. This is my planner things. All right, so when you open the box, this is what it looks like. And it has all the goodies in here. Your pack slip comes on top. And then some extra goodies. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. And that little, when I see that, the pink cover, I get crazy excited. Let me get this out the box. This is from the owner, VJ. So this is a woman-owned business. I love supporting women-owned businesses. And I've been buying from that site for years. And all my things stand the test of time. It's really good quality items. These are so cute. These are the cutest freebies I've ever seen in my life. Like, this is so, isn't that cute? And it's in a nice, I forget what color, pink. This is, morning mama. But this is cute. I love it. So let's get into it. My paper, I didn't make it. So I only got a few pieces. I'll do this one last. I was kind of hoping my journaling cards were in here, but they're not. I have to email them, which is disappointing. So the first thing I ordered is this folder. I love these. With this nice, stunning crocodile. I actually bought a few of these 4 years ago. I gifted 2 of them to my sisters, and I kept one for myself. And this is the one that I purchased 4 years ago. I do have a notary business, so I use it to, you know, travel with my certificates for if someone wants me to notarize a personal letter. I do have to attach this to it. But this is the folder from 4 years ago, and as you can see, I mean, it's been through some things, but it's still classy nonetheless. They did get rid of the Q on the front, so that's different. But I did order 2 more of these. As I said, I think these were $8 a piece. So, and I'm happy to receive them. Oh, the design is different too. The one from 4 years ago, the tab is in the middle. Now it's out here. It's a little wider as well. Yeah. So I got 2 of those. Then this thing, I had to have it. Oh my God, obsessed. I got the crocodile and the pink, a clipboard. Isn't this cute? Oh my goodness. Imagine showing up to my customers. The clipboard, I believe, was $23. No. It was more expensive. The clipboard was $40. It is so pretty. That rose gold chrome at the top. The rose gold Notiq at the bottom. So nice. This is executive style stationery. This is so classy. Can you imagine this sitting on your desk? And I'm going to keep mine on my desk. I have a little, the church bells, y'all. I have a little, like a little mailbox sort of thing where I could just stick things in. I'm putting that on there. This is so nice, and it's nice and thick. Feels quality. I'm never worried about the quality with Notiq. As I said, I've had things from them for years, but it's gonna last. I have things from them that last years. And then finally, this guy. I'm so excited. This is my color. Oh, this is my color for the year, y'all. I'm too excited about this. I got a new planner cover for my faith planner, and I got it in design in the color Bliss. Oh my gosh, she's stunning. Let me move these things out the way because so pretty. And then the gold emblem here, crazy. The snap feels so good. You get a pen loop for your pens. And then, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so pretty. And when I do my faith planner setup, I don't know if I'm gonna do white rings or if I'm gonna do black rings. I'm still on the fence about that. So I did want to get a new planner cover for my faith planner. This is so pretty, y'all. I do have, let's see. I don't have any of my planner covers here, but I do have another one in a Saffiano finish, but I have it in the color green. So I know this is gonna last. It feels just as good as the first one I purchased a number of years back. It has some pockets here for you to put your decorations or post-it notes, whatever you do. It also has 2 additional side pockets. Over here is where you would stick the planner cover, so your planner stays in the sleeve. Then it has 2 additional pockets, more pockets over here, and these little guys are also pockets. And I love that. It's plenty of storage in this planner cover. This planner cover, so this one originally is $170 for the Happy Planner Classic. But I did shop in the outlet section. They were running a sale. I think it's $170 or $159. I don't know, but the sale price was $134 for this cover. But they do have an outlet section, and I snagged this one for $110, y'all. And when I say that is cheap, I'm considering the quality you're getting. and it stands the test of time. I'm telling you, I have, let me try to find my planner. Crazy girl. My planner was right by me the whole time. So this is my page planner. She a little dusty. I just got to wipe it off. These are very easy to clean. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love the pockets I did for fall. But this is also a Notiq planner. As you can see, it has the same gold clasp there. And then your planner just sticks into the back pocket. The pockets are the same on these. And I had this specific one, this white one I had for, I'm going to say like 2 or 3 years. And look, it still looks so good. And the clipboard is made of the same cover. So pretty. And good quality, y'all. It's starting to discolor slightly. But as I said, I had it for 3 years. So, I mean, if you wipe it down, I kind of take care of my things. This one does not come out the house. This one is strictly my faith planner. This is the one I use every morning when I do my Bible study and scripture writing. So yeah, that one will be moving into this planner cover. So pretty. I'm excited. I'm so happy with my purchases. My total haul, I believe, was I don't know, somewhere around 200 bucks. 180 maybe, something like that. That is the haul, everybody. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.